Hey, everyone. Welcome back to CodeCanvas. Today, we're diving into a super cool Photoshop trick that'll turn your images into stunning blueprints. Ready to give your designs a technical edge? Let's jump in. First things first, let's open up your image in Photoshop. Hit Open and select the image you want to transform into a blueprint. To start, we'll remove the colors from our image. Go to Image in the menu, then select Adjustments and choose Desaturate, or press Shift+Ctrl+U. This will convert your image to grayscale, giving us a clean, color-free base to work with. Now it's time to outline our image. Navigate to the Filter menu, select Stylize, and then choose Find Edges. This will give your photo those sleek, sketchy lines essential for our blueprint effect. Invert the colors to get that classic blueprint effect. Navigate to Image, then Adjustments, and select Invert, or use Ctrl+I. This will flip the black lines to white. Grab the pen tool and trace around your main object. Once you've outlined your subject, right-click and choose Make Selection to finalize it. With your selection active, hit Ctrl+J to copy the main object onto a new layer. Create a new canvas by selecting File, then New. Set the size to your preference. For this tutorial, we're using 3300px by 2550px with a white background. Drag your edited image onto this new canvas. Resize and reposition it until it looks just right. Now, fill the background with a deep blue color. Choose blue for your foreground color, then press Alt plus Backspace to fill the background. Instant Blueprint Backdrop. Change the blend mode of the main object layer to Screen. This will make the white lines pop against the blue background. To really make your object stand out, add a stroke. Go to Layer, then Layer Style, and choose Stroke. Adjust the thickness to your liking. Time to make a custom pattern. Open a new canvas, size 45 pixels by 45 pixels. Delete the background layer and create a grid or pattern. Then, go to Edit and choose Define Pattern. Name it and save. Back on your main canvas, create a new layer and fill it with the pattern using the Paint Bucket tool. This adds some grid texture to your blueprint. Add a margin for a polished look. Use the rectangular tool to draw a border. Pressing Ctrl-click on this layer to select it, then apply a clipping mask to the pattern layer to keep it within the margin. When you're happy with the result, merge all layers. Select all layers, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. This combines everything into one layer. Want to add an old page texture to your blueprint? Open the old page, remove its background if necessary, and drag it onto your main canvas. Resize and position it to fit perfectly within your design. To blend the old page image with your blueprint, you'll need to remove any unwanted parts. First, Control-click on the old page layer to select it. Next, select the main layer and press Ctrl-J to duplicate it. Turn off the visibility of the old layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. Desaturate the old page image by going to Image, then Adjustments, and selecting Desaturate, or press Shift+Ctrl+U. Then, invert it by pressing Ctrl+I. Finally, change its blend mode to screen to blend it seamlessly with the blueprint effect. For that final touch, consider adding shadows. This step is optional but can give your blueprint a more dynamic look. And there you have it, a sleek blueprint effect using Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative tips. If this tutorial wasn't quite what you were looking for, let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps us improve. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.